itong ating
Blue Ribbon
flood
Committee
control
started now, headed
funds,
by my
Mundo
idol,
that dedicated to flood control,
Productive Marcolita.
divided by the number of days in 1 year, which is 365 days, it will amount to 1 billion pesos per day.
Imagine.
Government expenditure
So huge money.
dedicated to flood control projects only. So, sa ordinaryong tao, pag ito'y kanilang narinig,
Yeah.
talagang lalong-lalo na, including me. At lalong-lalo na yung mga taong kasalukuyang nabibiktima sa mga baha.
Tama.
Iniisip nila na sana yung 1 billion a day na yan, binigay na lang yan sa amin at kami na ang gumagawa ng flood control dito sa aming lugar para ma-mitigate yung sitwasyon na ito.
Para
But
tibay.
anyway, we are not entirely blaming everything to the projects. Meron tayong, we have a plethora of reasons bakit nangyayari ito. Meron tayong climate change, meron tayong sinasabing yung reclamation and other reasons. Pero yun nga, sa ordinaryong tao, kailangan maklaro natin ito. Kaya ako, personally, for myself, and I hope the chairman and the rest of the members of this committee would share with me in my request na sana, during this hearing, establish talaga natin ito for the benefit of our people na nanonood ngayon. Number one, these are not ghost projects. Number two, sana itong mga project na ito ay hindi ito yung quasi-physical and quasi-spiritual. Yung project na sinimulan lang pakilang tao, then afterwards, pinabayaan, wala nang nangyari. At kung number three, kung ito ay talagang ang estado nito mga proyekto na ito ay fully implemented, physically implemented, did it serve its purpose? Bakit patuloy pa rin yung baha?
Correct.
So, yun po mga Mr. Chairman, ang gusto nating malaman today, and I hope I hope that all our resource persons would cooperate 100% in this Senate investigation.
Tama.
Because itong aming committee ng Blue Ribbon Committee, we are not witch hunters here. We are not ghostbusters. We are truth seekers.
Ang totoo
So
ay totoo.
in our quest for the truth,
Mapanagot ang dapat
sana
mapanagot.
you play a very vital role para makamit natin ang katotohanan dito
Tama.
para sa ating inang bayan. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman.
Correct.
Thank you.